There once was a house cat named Mr. Whiskers, who, after a rogue one-click on his human's computer, found himself on a plane bound for the Amazon rainforest. As the plane took off, he realized he had forgotten his snuggly blanket and favorite toy mouse, Sir Pouncelot. It was going to be a long trip. Upon landing, Mr. Whiskers discovered the rainforest was not filled with cat-friendly conveniences like automatic feeders and cozy litter boxes. Instead, he met Paco, a howler monkey with aspirations of becoming a stand-up comedian. Their friendship began when Paco, mistaking Mr. Whiskers for a peculiar species of forest squirrel, tried out his banana slip joke on him. Mr. Whiskers wasn't amused, but seeing as he was now miles from home, he figured he could use a friend, even one with questionable humor. The days in the rainforest presented a smorgasbord of challenges. Firstly, there was the whole issue of eating. Paco offered Mr. Whiskers a variety of juicy bugs, but the feline was less than thrilled, dreaming instead of gourmet tuna. Then came the weather, rain, and more rain. Every time he found a dry place to nap, the rain found him. Despite these obstacles, Mr. Whiskers adapted cleverly. He fashioned himself a miniature hammock from vines and stole leaves wide enough to shield him from the monsoon showers. Paco even made him a sun hat from palm fronds, claiming it would help with his comedic persona building, though Mr. Whiskers was more interested in keeping out those pesky biting insects. Through cleverness, creativity, and a dash of comedic intervention from Paco, who insisted that chuckling at his jokes improved survivability, Mr. Whiskers managed to make a new home in the Amazon. And though he occasionally missed the comforts of suburban life, he couldn't deny that there was something thrilling about the nightly symphony of forest creatures and the endless adventure of the rainforest. As weeks turned into months, Mr. Whiskers became known as the wise feline of the Amazon, sought after for advice on everything from catching fish to the best shade spots for an afternoon nap. After all, if a house cat could survive and thrive here, who better to ask? Thus, Mr. Whiskers found his calling, grinning each day under his palm frond hat, with Paco by his side, the rainforest's very own comedic sage.